shoot. Drop it. Drop it.
Taser. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop it.
On Thursday, January 8, 2026, at approximately 5:37 p.m., inside New York Presbyterian Brooklyn Methodist Hospital, located at 506 6th Street in Brooklyn, Police Officer Jason Liu and Police Officer Brandon Bradley, assigned to patrol in the 78th Precinct, became involved in a police shooting during an encounter with an armed individual. The subject was later identified as 62-year-old Michael Lynch. At approximately 5:27 p.m., multiple 911 callers reported that a man inside the hospital was acting violently and fighting with hospital staff.
New York City, 911, they need the police, fire, medical.
Hi, I'm calling from Brooklyn Methodist Hospital. I have a patient who's suicidal. He's actually hurting himself right now. I need police here immediately.
In the hospital?
Yeah, in the hospital. We have security holding him down, but we need a little bit more assistance.
All right, 1 second.
We're calling from New York Presbyterian.
This is 506 6th Street in Brooklyn?
Yes, yes.
Okay, an emergency room?
No, we're on the 8th floor, Neuromed, 8067.
1 second.
I'm on the phone with the police.
Any weapons or anything?
He has a knife on him.
Oh, he has a knife. Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Tell the interns to go.
We have multiple calls. They on their way. Is anybody injured?
The patient. That's the patient. I can't assess what the status is of the officers that are in there right now.
And you said security is ran, right?
911. Okay. It seems like people are on their way.
All right. This is the 8th floor, right?
The 8th floor. Yes, please.
All right. They on their way. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. I'm operator 2526.
In response to the emergency calls, officers assigned to the 78th Precinct responded to the hospital and encountered Mr. Lynch inside a room on the 8th floor. According to investigators, Mr. Lynch had blocked the doorway while holding a sharp object. Officers repeatedly ordered Mr. Lynch to drop the object. However, authorities say he refused to comply. The confrontation that followed was captured on police body-worn cameras. The body-worn camera footage follows.
Stop it. Stop it. Put it down. 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 Drop the knife. Hey, Charlie. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Lou, watch out. Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Central nearby. Drum's gone. He didn't hit with a knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop it.
8th floor, 806 Central.
Yo, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Drop the knife.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
If you move forward, I'm going to shoot. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Is somebody else in there with him?
Yeah,
Stop it. Is he okay? Drop it. Drop it.
what's your name? Back up.
Back up.
Everybody back up. Yo, what's your name?
Drop it.
What's your name?
One of y'all got a taser on y'all? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the knife. Drop it. I'm going to shoot. Drop it. Drop it.
Taser. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Central. Shots fired.
Shot fire, Central. One shot fire. Drop.
Back up. Back up.
Drop it.
Drop the knife.
Drop it.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop it. No, you need to drop it.
Central, be advised. One shot's fired. Blue, back up, Blue. Back up, Blue, back up.
Stop! Hey, sir! I have someone inside! I have someone inside!
Someone.
I got someone inside! Who got eyes? You got eyes?
Watch out.
Who's got eyes? Who's got eyes on him? Who's got eyes?
I got eyes on him. He's good. He's alright. He's alright.
Drop it!
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife!
Drop it!
Drop the knife!
So you need to drop that knife. Don't want to hurt you, but
Drop it!
Where is he?
I got it.
Behind the door. No, negative.
Drop the knife!
Someone else inside.
Yeah, he's not hurt.
He's hurt. Yes, he is. I got security in there.
Watch out.
Where's the issue? This. You got the issue? I got a shot spot. I have a shot spot. Yes.
Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop it! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Drop it! Put it down! Put the knife down! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! No. He's behind the door. Hold on. He's behind the door. Hold on. He's behind the door.
Bro, just drop the fucking knife!
Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop it!
Sir, we can talk. There's someone else inside. We can't keep it lingering. We go.
Drop it!
Just drop it, bro!
Drop the knife!
Drop the motherfucking knife!
We did.
Hey Charlie, we have a barricaded EDP with a knife central. Get ESU
If
here.
you're not supposed to be here, leave the area.
Rush ESU central.
Guys, get off the floor. Everybody off the floor. Get out the area.
I got it.
Yo, bro, just drop the knife, bro. Why not? Why won't you drop the knife? Why won't you drop it? Why won't you drop it? What's the reason? Why won't you drop it, man?
Clear the floor. Everybody out. Clear the
Yo,
floor.
talk to me. Why won't you drop the knife? What's going on? What's
Security,
going on?
move to the side. Move to the side.
What? We can't drop it. You gotta drop it first, man. You know the deal. You know the deal. You gotta drop it so we can take care of everything.
Hey, grab my radio.
You know the deal, man. You just gotta drop it.
Yo, stop it. Yo,
No. He's throwing a knife. Drop it.
Yo, who got Taser? Somebody else Taser. Take him again.
Central, one more shot fired.
You have a knife. Drop the knife so we can help you out. Drop the knife so we can help you out. Throw it away. Drop it so we can help you.
Just let it go. Just let it go.
One shot.
So we can help you.
That's it.
You need us to help you out.
That's it. Just drop it,
Don't want to
man.
hurt you.
Just drop it. Watch what's going
Drop
on.
it.
Drop the
Just drop it.
Drop the knife so we can help you out. Sir, listen to me. We're trying to help you. All right? Guys, drop the knife. Let us
7-8 Charlie. Just got one male shot.
drop the knife, bro. Drop it. We don't want anybody hurt inside. He has to drop it first.
780, Charlie, we have one no shot. We have
Well, don't hold that on me now. Just drop it.
Come on. 7th Avenue, clear for ESU and opening question.
Police Officer Bradley's body-worn camera footage. Slow motion replay. First gunshot.
Drop the knife! Drop it! I'm gonna shoot. Drop it.
Take a fucking shot.
Drop it.
Taser. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Central. Shots fired.
Police Officer Bradley's body-worn camera footage. Slow motion replay. Subsequent gunshots.
You know what to do, man. You just gotta drop it.
Yo.
According to investigators, officers attempted for several minutes to establish dialogue with Mr. Lynch while continuing to issue commands for him to drop the weapon. Authorities stated that multiple Taser conducted electrical weapon deployments were ineffective during the encounter. Investigators say Mr. Lynch repeatedly refused to relinquish the object and allegedly advanced toward officers while armed. Police Officer Liu discharged a total of 3 rounds from his service firearm, while Police Officer Bradley discharged 1 round. Mr. Lynch was struck during the incident and later taken into custody. The sharp object recovered from the scene during the investigation. Hospital personnel immediately rendered medical aid. However, Mr. Lynch was later pronounced deceased. Police Officer Bradley was equipped with a body-worn camera that recorded the incident. Police Officer Liu was also equipped with a body-worn camera, though investigators stated portions of his footage were obstructed by a protective hospital gown. In the coming weeks and months, the NYPD Force Investigation Division, together with the prosecutor's office overseeing the case, will continue reviewing the incident as additional interviews and forensic testing are completed. Once the investigation concludes, the facts of the case will be presented to the First Deputy Commissioner's Use of Force Review Board for evaluation of the officer's actions and compliance with department guidelines.